What's the ladybug's name?
I'm Lily.
Lily the ladybug. And what are you doing today, Lily?
I'm going to get some food.
Get some food. What do you like to eat?
I like to eat seeds and plants.
Oh my goodness. And what else? Oh, how many friends do you have? Do you have any friends back there?
Yeah. I have
Tell your friends to come out.
Bracky, come on.
Oh, hello. Look at you. What's your name?
Mr. Frog.
Mr. Frog.
What do you like to eat, Mr. Frog?
I like to eat watermelon.
Ooh, I love watermelon.
That is very tasty. I thought you ate flies. Who else is out there?
Come on.
Who else is in the tree?
Come on, raccoon.
Oh,
Raccoon.
what is your name?
My name is Rocket.
Rocket is cute. What do you like to eat? I think you like to eat frogs.
No, I like to eat garbage.
Oh,
Garbage.
Ugh. So,
What's your favorite kind of garbage?
Probably dead fish.
oh
Dead
yeah.
fish. Ew.
Ew. Well, I think we're going to go out on a nature walk and see some of your relatives. So you guys have a wonderful day.
Wait.
Oh,
Bye.
oh wait. Who else
Wait,
is
I
there?
need to tell you something.
Oh,
I
what
have
else?
2 friends.
You have 2 friends.
Oh, God.
Oh, what is your other friend at,
You have
Mr.
another friend too. Now I have 3 friends.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Look at them. Look at the little birds in the
Oh, there's
nest.
a bird nest and a skunk.
Oh my goodness.
Pete.
These are oh my goodness. You have a whole tree full of friends. You guys are very busy.
Yes,
Are you guys
I
out?
have to go eat my watermelon now.
Yes.
I have to go eat my seeds and plants.
Okay.
I have to go eat my trash and I have to go eat some grass.
Well, have a great day, everybody.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Okay.